X factor in this election in Karnataka is the newly forged BJP-JDS alliance. Adversaries only 12 months ago, they've come together, and arithmetically, the JDS's vote could ensure victory for many of their candidates, especially in southern Karnataka. But politics is not just about arithmetic, it's also about chemistry. Will the chemistry between the two sides work? Let's go and meet the leaders of the JDS and the BJP. Come with me. Namaskara, sir. I remember meeting you 1 year ago here itself. That time you were fighting against BJP and Congress. Today you have tied up with BJP. What does this mean? You are being opportunist. You want to tie up with BJP to keep JDS alive.
It is not a opportunistic politics. Several times, several decisions made by several parties, even leaders. Because after the assembly election, both the parties realized in the assembly election, BJP also seriously taken that election. They fight against us also. After the election result, BJP senior leaders also realized here to fight against Congress, it is required that both the parties come together. For that reason only, people also feel like that.
Sir, but they called you corrupt that time. They said father and son party. They made all kinds of allegations.
No, several times, brother. This kind of allegations in politics is common. You see.
So what is the basis for this alliance?
No, this alliance is not to get some personal benefit. My aim is several problems you are facing, even several issues in front of central government. From last 40 years, that problems up till now they have not settled. We join hand with BJP to solve the problems which we are facing from last 40 years. Because our party is small party. We can't come cover power on our own. If we join hand with BJP, I think entire country move.
So you are not worried BJP will swallow you up?
No, they can't swallow us. Our strength is
JDS will remain.
It will be remain. We are not going to give any scope for any party to swallow our party.
So you are not doing this under compulsion, under pressure?
No pressure. With confidence from both the parties, mutual understanding, we come to an alliance. Here, this alliance actually, in 2006, we already had an experience with Yadurappa ji.
Sir, but you have tied up with Congress in 2018, now with BJP. You are going in any direction whenever you get power.
That was the mistake.
That was a mistake.
That was the mistake. At that time also, Narendra Modi ji, he personally called me. Then he advised me 1.5 hours. You are doing good work, but because of Congress hurdles, you are not getting any good name. I know your work.
So Congress is your main enemy now.
There is no undisputed. Congress are the enemies. Not only enemies, they wanted to finish our party in this Karnataka.
I have got Vijendra ji also, the BJP state president. Nice to see you, Vijendra ji. You tell me, this alliance, people are saying, you were attacking Kumaraswamy's party only 1 year ago, calling them corrupt, saying father and son party. Now you have joined hands.
See, the question is, today our former Prime Minister Devagowda ji, his stand is pretty clear. Looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's government in last 10 years, the way Modi ji has delivered in the interest of the nation, even Devagowda ji wants Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister for one more term. Hence, Bharatiya Janata Party and JDS Party, both we have come together here in Karnataka.
So you have forgotten all local issues. You want Modi ji in Delhi.
Nation first.
Nation first, you are saying. So you have forgotten all allegations you have made of the past.
Forget allegation. Our priority is BJP should come back to power at the center under the dynamic leadership of Modi ji. So forgotten all our past differences, we have come together.
It also shows that you need JDS to win elections. You cannot win on your own.
It's a win-win situation for both JDS as well as BJP. There's no harm in doing it.
So orange and green are good color mix, sir. Orange and green are your new mix. First it used to be only green. Now you are very green and little bit of orange.
These both color, now people are attracting towards this both color.
Double color.
Yeah.
Now you are into double color. Earlier it was only green and white. Now you have added orange to it.
Yes, almost all Indian flag is actually we are wearing.
And who is driving the alliance? Vijendra ji or you? Who is the driver? And who is in the back seat?
It's Modi ji.
Modi ji.
Power of Modi ji is driving both BJP and JDS.
Okay. Power of Modi ji is driving your alliance.